Hello, my name is Justin Mason, and I'm a junior faculty member at the University of Florida, and I'm here to share our tool with you. And our tool is titled the Automated Vehicle User Perception Survey, and I'll tell you a little bit more about it. So the big picture here is that this tool allows stakeholders, local and state agencies, and researchers and clinicians to assess individuals' perceptions of fully automated vehicles. An example of a fully automated vehicle is a vehicle that can drive itself without a human operator. And that right here is the automated shuttle, which is located and driving around downtown Gainesville right now. So FAVs, or fully automated vehicles, may offer accessible and equitable transportation to really be a key in that first mile, last mile dilemma, which is how do people get to a primary mode of transportation? And then how do they get from their mode of transportation to their final destination? And we believe that the automated shuttle may be one key to solving this issue or dilemma. But users must accept and adopt this technology, and we need to know more about their perceptions, which is why we developed this tool. So we went through a lot of psychometric testing, we worked with subject matter experts, and we worked with the layperson, and that allowed us to develop a tool that was both valid and reliable. That tool can be broken down into subscales, which represent intention to use, perceived barriers of accepting this technology, their perceived well-being that may change due to using this technology, and as well as a total acceptance score, which really includes 24 items where the others can be broken up. And if you just really want to know about perceived barriers, you can use those 6 items on their own without using the entire scale. And that can be found at our publication here, which is open access in Frontiers in Psychology. And I'll provide a link to that as well. So the survey can be downloaded from this publication. It's also available in Qualtrics format if you'd like to use web-based, but you can also print it. And if you decide to print it, this is scaled to be a 100mm line or 10 centimeters. And the score ranges from 0 to 100. So 0mm would be here and 100mm would be on the far right. And you can just measure that using a ruler. So for implementation, the items that align with the scales are broken down on table 2 of our publication, but I've also provided it here. So for example, these 13 items right here align with intention to use. That individual would have to answer all 13 items, and then you just take an average of those items to provide an intention to use score. And the same would go for perceived barriers, well-being, and then total acceptance, which includes almost all of the items on here. So the impact of this tool would be that you can assess individuals' perceptions of fully automated vehicles after demonstration projects, or you can assess fully automated vehicles as an alternative mode of transportation, since we typically rely on driving ourselves, and that ability to drive ourselves declines with age. So this is just one other mode of transportation that might help people stay active in the community. So if this is of interest to you, don't hesitate to contact me. My email is right here, justinmason@phhp.ufl.edu, and the survey can be downloaded from the supplementary material in our Frontiers publication. Thank you very much.